In this question, it is given that two marks on a glass rod 10 centimeter apart are found to increase their distance by 0.08 millimeter when rod is heated from 0 to 100. So from the first information, we can write the initial length of rod was something like 10 centimeter, and increase their distance means the value of change in length we can take it as 0.08 millimeter, or in terms of centimeter we can write 0.008 centimeter. When the rod is heated from 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, so we can write the value of delta T, difference in temperature, is equal to 100. So from this information we can find out what about the value of alpha over here. If I am using this equation, delta L is equal to L naught into alpha delta T, we can write the value of alpha is equal to delta L divided by L naught and delta T. So we'll get the value of this alpha. Delta L is given as 0.008 divided by L is nothing but 10 centimeter, and delta T is nothing but 100. So we can write this is equal to 8 into 10 raised to, we can just count over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write 8 into 10 raised to minus 6. That much will be the value of alpha over here. A flask made up of same glass, that of rod, measures a volume of 100,000 centimeter cube at 0 degrees Celsius. That means the volume of that container, which is made up of glass, or its initial volume was something like 1000 centimeter cube, and the volume it measures at 100 degrees Celsius is. So we can find out what about the value of its change in volume. Change in volume is equal to initial volume into gamma into delta T. So we can write initial volume is nothing but 1000. The value of gamma we can take it as 3 times of alpha, and the value of alpha is 8 into 10 raised to minus 6 into delta T, that we can take it as something but 100 from 0 to 100. So we can write this 8 into 4, which is 8 into 3, which is nothing but 24 into, we can just observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is into 10 raised to minus 1, because already we have a term of 10 raised to minus 6 into 10 raised to 5. We can write 10 raised to minus 1, or you can write this as 2.4. So the change in volume is 2.4. So we can find out the value of final volume, that is initial volume plus change in volume or increase in volume 2.4. So this is going to be 1002.4, or this will be the value of its final volume.